My name's Yvonne Russell. I'm the AC of the Midi-Pyrenees team, and we are here in the Marcillac area. So Marcillac is a lovely market town. We are very close to Toulouse and the beautiful city of Pau. We have easy access to airports. This is one of my favourite properties. It's a beautiful chateau. It has the most amazing views of the Pyrenees mountains. Plus you look onto the Marcillac Lake. So this chateau enjoys a peaceful, tranquil setting, not overlooked by any properties. The house itself has 3 reception rooms, 7 bedrooms and a lodge. It is ideal as a family home or an income generating business. This property is well maintained and a very high standard. It's basically in pick up the keys and moving situation. It is very competitively priced, certainly for its situation, highly recommended. The grounds are flat and very easy to maintain. There's a pool and the lodge is separated. If, like me, you love this property, please click on the link below. I would be delighted to discuss this property with you, organise a visit. This area is beautiful and you'd be most welcome. See you soon. I look forward to meeting you. Bye.